Okay, I'm going to discuss about a professor whom I meet during my college time.
I met.
He's a, he's a professor in a chemical engineering department, and we met during a course. So during the course, I found he's very cooperative, and whenever you approach for any question or any doubt you have, you always pay attention to you. Whatever he's doing, he just stop doing it and just he will pay attention to you. So during the entire course, I found him. He's very organized, and he was very balanced while delivering his lecture. And sometimes the student do mistakes. He never lost his control, and he always replied in a very calm and very polite manner. And I think, as far as to say, uh, he's the only person to maximum extent I have seen. He's very polite, and I think I have also discussed about him to many of my friends that he's very good in nature and he's very balanced. I found. So this is all about.
Okay, so he is a person who I believe is very polite or has a decent way of speaking to others.
Okay, okay. So I
Okay.
was not getting a word, ma'am. Here, uh, he's very polite. So means if he's the only person who I met, he's very polite. So what I will use it exactly here.
For the polite, you can say well mannered, well behaved.
Okay, if I have to say, he's the only person so far I meet. Uh,
So far, I
then what?
met.
Okay, so far I met. So what I will say, he's the only person so far I met.
Okay, so he is
He's
the only
very
person whom I have met so far.
okay. Okay.
Okay, he is the only polite person, or he is the only person who is well mannered, and the only one I have met so far, or who he is the only well behaved person I have met so far, or I have met till now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so well mannered, well behaved, courteous. Another word for polite is courteous. Then you can say
Okay.
courteous and respectful.
Okay. Okay. I use ma'am self-controlled and balanced and very organized. So these three will help in to explain politeness.
See, organized is something different, but politeness is something different. Politeness refers to way of behaving and talking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so there are different synonyms for that. Balanced is again something not really related to politeness. Politeness is when someone is respectful, speaks to others respectfully, is courteous, and he is well mannered, is well behaved, behaves really well with others when he speaks to others while communicating.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and
And
he
if
is gentlemanly.
okay.
Okay, he has a gentle nature, polite nature. He speaks really nice with everybody, and so as you said that even if you put him a lot of questions, he would never lose his patience and still answer courteously to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so like that you can say.
Okay. Ma'am. Okay. Okay.
Okay, he is really civil, means well behaved. Again, that is another way for polite, another word for polite.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay, okay, so there are so many words that you can use.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, और organized और जो balanced है वो कुछ different हो जाएगा. That will be different from politeness. लोगों के साथ कैसा
Okay.
बिहेवियर है कि पर्सन रूड भी हो जाता है या हमेशा पोलाइट रहता है, बहुत अच्छे से बात करता है.
Mm-hmm.
ओके और पोलाइटनेस के साथ आप क्या रिलेट कर सकते हो? हॉस्पिटैलिटी रिलेट कर सकते हो,
yes, yes.
है ना?
When
हॉस्पिटैलिटी
when he got angry and I never saw him to lose his self control while he's angry, and after that he
No, how will
behaves
you
in a
know
very
he's
polite.
angry? How you will know he's angry?
It will reflect on on his face.
Okay.
Can we say that? It might be that the person is looking very angry on means on anger. It looks anger on his face, but then also he's speaking very politely because he's controlling it. So it's a reaction
Yes.
of control. Control.
Yes.
I think that's why I used he's having self control when he's angry.
Yes,
Uh,
this point is okay. This point is correct. You can say
okay,
like
ma'am.
that. और
Okay, okay.
पोलाइटनेस को आप हॉस्पिटैलिटी से भी रिलेट कर सकते हो. Or if even if in the most unfavorable circumstances, I have never seen that person lose his temper.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
and has
Okay.
always speaks politely with others, no matter what.
Okay, ma'am.
And that is the
Okay.
reason I believe that people like to come to him and take suggestions or advice from him.
Okay. And can we also say he speaks slow, not very loudly? It also represents the politeness. If
Yes,
someone
you
is
can. Yes, he never
okay.
speaks loudly. He is very soft spoken. ठीक है, soft spoken ये भी बोल सकते हो. That also relates to politeness.
Okay.
Okay, and then अभी आपने जब आपने शुरू किया आपने पहले बोला कि I met this person during my studies. Okay, so he pays attention. He pays attention आपने present tense में बोला. Whatever he is doing, he would stop doing it. He would stop doing it and just whatever he is doing, he would stop doing it. And उसके बाद आपने क्या बोला था? What did you mention?
Uh, I said during the class. I said during the class.
Yes.
Uh,
So what you did was that you said one sentence about the past and then about the present, his behavior in the present, and then again you said that something about the past, and then again you came to present. Okay, so if you met him during your studies, what you noticed about his behavior, talk about that first in the past tense, and then come to the
okay.
present
Okay.
tense, how he behaves now as well. Okay, so first talk about past in one or two sentences and then come to the present. Because what is the question? Describe a polite person whom you know. So whom you know means till now you know him. And then you have to speak,
Okay. Okay.
yes, and then you have to speak about in the present tense what you notice about his behavior presently or usually, okay, in the
Okay.
current time. Yes, so if you started with the past, finish first talking about past, when you met him, what you noticed about him, and again then you come to the present. What you did, you spoke one line about the past, then about the present, then about the past, and then about the present.
Okay.
Okay, this you need to take
I will,
care of.
I will keep, okay, okay. I will keep it in mind. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, now we'll come to Arshdeep.